Welcome back to it, Mapagania Omzansi. We're back with another one, but to spend Ipax lady. Kunjani sis?
Ngiyaphila ninjani?
We good. You came here today, ibone kanjani?
That was a beautiful display of South African football. Perfect game. I cannot take it away from the boys. Ngicela ukubonga umkhulu ukuthi from the first game uzwile ikhalo zethu. He went back to the drawing board. Wabuyela to formation esijwayele 4-3-3, which got us to let's khona kuyona le World Cup. No, like anginama complaints anama criticism. I'm just happy ngale the way si performing akhona. Lento enzakele can happen to any team, but nje ngisasho kubafana bafana Santsane really kaufela.
Tell the boys you're proud of them, then we close.
I am 100% proud of you guys. As in Shilo, Santsane really kaufela.
You've heard it, Mzansi. Tell us babophele nje since uyiPagania and nathi also Paganias. Let's bophela them. Bopha!